in next few years we are going to be in the middle of a region in which all countries are going to be member states of the NATO. In those circumstances, that is going to be totally new development, and we are going to analyze this situation, to discuss democratically this situation in our parliament, I'm sure. Only people of Serbia can decide on referenda, are we going to become member state of the NATO? If you are asking ordinary people in Serbia who supported Serbia's membership of the NATO, more of them are going to say President of Serbia is supporting NATO membership of our country, even though I don't have a majority right now in my people regarding this decision.